Want to work smarter in 2025? These 5 free AI tools can save you time, boost creativity, and even make you money. Let's go. At number 5, GrammarlyGO. It's like a supercharged AI writing assistant. Use it to write faster, cleaner, and smarter, whether it's emails, essays, or captions. Number 4, Murf.ai. Need a voiceover for YouTube, TikTok, or a podcast? Murf gives you realistic AI voices, no mic needed. At number 3, Pictory.ai. Turn your script into a video with stock footage, AI voices, and captions. Perfect for faceless YouTubers. Number 2, Canva's Magic Studio. Design anything with AI, thumbnails, social posts, even videos. Great for beginners and brands alike. And number 1, ChatGPT. Write scripts, get ideas, research topics. It's the brain of your entire workflow. If you're not using ChatGPT, you're already behind. Bonus tips. These tools are powerful, but only if you use them consistently. Combine them to build your brand, create content, or start a side hustle, all free. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and follow Facts Over Fiction 09 for more tools and tips you actually need.